Discover this captivating, light-filled retreat tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac in coveted Forest Heights. Enjoy a prime location just minutes from local shopping, Forest Park, trails, and quick access to downtown Portland, Nike, and Intel. Head inside to rich Brazilian hardwood floors and soaring windows that fill the great room with natural light, warmth, and an inviting ambiance. The gourmet kitchen is perfectly appointed for both everyday living and entertaining, featuring peaceful views, granite countertops, and new stainless steel appliances, including a gas cooktop, a butler's pantry, wine fridge, and plenty of storage. Classic French doors frame the elegant main-level office. Retreat to the spacious main-level primary suite, complete with its own fireplace. Relax in the spa-inspired bath with a jetted tub, tile shower, and a generous walk-in closet. Upstairs, you'll find 2 ensuite bedrooms with gorgeous valley views, each with walk-in closets and private baths, perfect for family or guests. The lower-level bedroom is a flexible space offering endless versatility with another bath, plus a dedicated wine room and extra storage. Outside, you can unwind or gather with friends and family on the large deck. An oversized 3-car garage provides ample space and includes an EV charger. All this set in a top-rated school district with seller financing available at just 5.5% interest only for up to 3 years. Discover luxury living close to nature on Northwest Twilight Terrace. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582.